Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Velveeta broccoli cheese soup. I'd like to take a minute to dedicate this video to a dear friend and a fellow YouTuber who passed away this past week. Her name is Phyllis Stokes. She was battling cancer for a while and she lost her battle. So guys, I'll put a link to her channel down in the description bar if you want to stop by and pay her condolences. Her son just uploaded a video and he's monitoring her channel. So go ahead and pay your respects and thank you. Okay guys, I'm using my copper chef on my induction burner to cook my soup. You could very easily just do this on a stovetop in a regular pan. I haven't used my induction burner for a while, so I just want to get it out. I have my copper chef preheating. I'm going to start by throwing in about 2 tablespoons of butter. And normally I use olive oil, but you want to use butter for this because it's going to help flavor the soup. And Dexter's all wound up, guys. He's in there ready to roll. I have this set at 130 degrees. The induction burner. If you do this on your stove top, keep your heat to medium low. You don't want it too hot where you're going to scorch your butter. I'm going to turn this up to about 150. And guys, right now QVC is running a deal on a Copper Chef XL casserole pan with the induction burner for under $60 on clearance, which that's one heck of a deal because the Copper Chef alone is close to $60. It's like getting the induction burner for free. Alright, now I have 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper I diced up. We're going to get them in here. We're going to saute them in the butter until they start to turn translucent and soften up. And I'm probably going to have to turn my heat up just a hair. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to medium. Turn this back on. When my onions are done sauteing and my peppers and everything's nice and translucent and softened up, I'll be back. Alright guys, now that my green pepper and my onions sauteed and are starting to turn translucent and soften up, I'm going to add in 3 cups of milk. And I turn my heat off just for now. I'm going to add in 2 10.5 ounce cans of cream of chicken soup. Let me get my spoon here. You want to scrape out as much as you can. Waste not, want not. Dexter, what are you doing? And guys, this is a fairly easy soup. Not many ingredients, but it's going to have big time flavor. Okay. Now I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to add in some black pepper. I'm going to go for about a ½ teaspoon. Now we're not going to add any salt to this, guys, because that cream of chicken soup has salt in it, and we're going to be adding Velveeta cheese in, and that's going to have salt. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys, and about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now don't use garlic salt. You either use granulated garlic or garlic powder. Okay, and I'm going to turn my heat back on. We're going to go for medium. So when you do this on your stove top, just set the heat on medium. You want to bring this up to a gentle boil. And I'm just stirring this around to blend together our spices and that soup and the milk. What, Dexter? Dexter! What are you doing? Now the soup that didn't dissolve in there, that will dissolve as this cooks. Now I'm going to add in 2 12-ounce packages of frozen broccoli cuts. And guys, this is looking good already. Okay, now I'm going to cover this. I'll probably turn my heat up a little bit to bring it to a gentle boil. And then I'll cut the heat back and let that simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes so that broccoli heats through and gets nice and tender. Okay guys, my soup simmered for 10 minutes. And it's getting nice and thick. I kept it covered while it simmered. I'm just going to give it a stir. Now I have 2 pounds of Velveeta cheese that I cut into cubes. I'm just going to go ahead and drop this down in there. And I'm trying to drop them separate so they melt quicker. Okay, now that I have all my Velveeta cheese in there, I'm going to give this a stir. And I cut my heat back to 210 degrees, right below boiling, the boiling point. I'm going to put my lid back on this, and I'm going to let this go for 5 more minutes to allow that cheese to melt. Then it should be ready to roll, guys. Alright guys, my soup is done. The cheese is melted. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added some real bacon bits to that for some extra flavor. That's optional. Let me get in here and give this a try. See how nice and thick and creamy that is? It's really good, creamy, cheesy. The broccoli has a slight little bit of a crisp to it. It's not raw in the least, but it's not mush. That's the way I like it. Guys, that's a really delicious, hearty soup for a cold winter night. Alright, there you have it. Velveeta broccoli cheese soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.